Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PlayStation. In the beginning, take a look at the bottom of your controller. Right here, select PlayStation 5 and next select if you want to connect it wirelessly or via cable. In case of wireless connection, connect this 2.4G adapter to USB-A port on your console and then press and hold PlayStation button for 3 seconds. The controller will automatically pair with the console. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.